perform the operations indicated. When we don't have any sign, it means we have here multiplication, subtraction, and again multiplication. So first, the order of operations for rational numbers is the same like for integers. So it means first we have to do always parentheses, power, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So first we have to do multiplication here. Because we have first positive number, second is negative. So first we have to memorize when we multiply positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer is always negative. So positive times negative give me negative sign. And now, because I have here mixed numbers to multiply, first I will change them to improper fractions. How we do this? We multiply denominator times whole number and we add numerator. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. So our numerator will be 15 and denominator we copy. And we have times 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 is 16 over 3 minus, and we have 4 over 5 times 15, we will change to fractions. 15 over 1. Can write, so this is equal. And now, like I said, because we have positive times negative, so first multiplication give us negative sign. I write this before. And now first, because before you do multiplication of fractions, we will check if we can reduce something. We have 15 and in denominator we have 3. We always reduce numerator with denominator. So 15 and 3 we can reduce by 3, so it will be 5. 3 divided by 3 will be 1. And we have 16 and 4. So 16 we can divide by 4 will be 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. We always divide numerator and denominator by the same number when we reduce. And in the second multiplication we have 4 and we cannot reduce 4, and we have also 15 and 5, so we can divide by 5, so it will be 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And now it will be very easy to do multiplication of fractions. How we do this? We multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 20 divided by 1 is 20 minus 12 divided by 1 is 12. We have subtraction of integers. First negative, second is positive. How we do this? We copy first number, we change subtraction to addition of opposite. Opposite to 12 is negative 12. Now we see what we can do here. We have addition of two negative numbers. So we copy negative sign. 20 plus 12 we have to add. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 20 plus 12 is 32. This is my solution.